Hey guys, so I wanted to show you, because yesterday I did that video of my full face sped up, but I thought I would show you with the 4 eyeshadow colors that I talked about yesterday. I might do a little bit of a different look today, but the same 4 eyeshadow colors. I already put on my mascara just to save some time, but the 4 colors, so it's just a really like earthy brown kind of palette. So this is Oak, this is Stay Golden, Unicorn, and Cupcake. And you could swap out and just get Sabrina. So Sabrina is like a neutral tone, but it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. So you could do 3, but if you do 4, you get the free compact. This is the square size. I'm not sure if this design is still available or not. Or you could get the quad size, which is basically twice this size, and then you could get more, fill it with more eyeshadows as you add to your collection. Okay, I'm gonna get started. So I'm gonna start with the brown. This is just a matte, a really pretty matte brown color. And I'm gonna do it in my crease, and I keep my eyes open and do it because I kind of have a deep set crease. So I keep my eyes open and make sure that I'm doing it above my crease a little bit so you can actually see the color. If I do it, I'll show you the difference. So if I do it in my crease, do you see like it's all down here and it's not up here? This eye you can see it, this eye you can't. So I keep my eye open and I do it above the crease. And I'm gonna pull my hand back, and this is the Eyeshadow Everything brush. This brush is $29 and I love it. So I pull my hand back and I just blend that all the way out. Just keep blending it. And I did prime my eyes with my highlight or my cream foundation color. You can use an eyeshadow primer if you want to. And then when I set my face with powder, I did put a little powder because it makes it easier to blend out your eyeshadows. If either you're using a eyeshadow primer that kind of goes matte, that kind of turns into a powder, or powder your eyelids before you start. Okay. So see how pretty that just blends out? Okay, I'll do the other eye. Where you can actually see it. So the eyeshadows, I always hate buying palettes, and maybe you guys buy the big palettes with a ton of different colors, but even if I bought like the, the drugstore ones that had 4 colors, it always bugged me that when I bought 4 colors, there was always like at least 2, maybe 3 that I didn't use. So I always ended up buying like MAC or Urban Decay or some brand that I could buy individual eyeshadows. And then you have all these little tubs of eyeshadow. And it's expensive. Like the MAC ones are what? Like over 20 bucks. So these are $14 each. And if you get the bigger compact size, you can add to it with other colors as you add to your collection. Replace just one color at a time that you like for 14 bucks. And then if you buy 4, you get the compact for free. So it is so much better. Like, I don't know why other companies don't do this or haven't. I guess they want you to buy stuff you don't use. I don't know. Okay, so now I'm going to take the cupcake. I think I'm like going brain dead, you guys. And I'm going to come along the bottom here. And this is just a matte neutral color. Same thing over here. And I'm just doing it with the denser, smaller end of my brush. Here a little bit. Okay. Oh, the sun's if I can move over just a little bit so there isn't a glare. Okay, so that's really pretty. Now I'm going to take the Stay Golden, which is a shimmery gold. I'm going to go right in the corner here and up into the crease. Corner, up into the crease. And because, sorry, the lighting is not as great as I thought it was when I started. Okay. Just brings pretty gold color. And now I'm going to do the Unicorn, which is the sparkly, kind of a white sparkly in the corner. Let's spread that out. Just gonna, people must think that I get bruises a lot because I always clean my brushes off on my wrist and then I forget that I did that and I go to work. Just eyeshadow, people, just eyeshadow. Okay, I'm just sort of blending everything together. Okay, now I'm gonna go back. This lighting, I thought it was great. I'm gonna go back with this oak. Oops, got a little fuzzy. I'm gonna go right under my lower lash line. Okay, just like that. All right, that's it. Let me show you guys. I think it's just, these colors are just gorgeous. They're really like neutral. And you can finish off, I'm gonna finish off with a little bit of my favorite brown Lasting Drama by Maybelline eye pencil. My weird, creepy way I do my eyeliner, sorry. And then I'll probably put like one more coat of mascara on just because I got a little bit of powder, but that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do want the colors, they're linked in my bio. Just click on it and open it in a separate browser if you're working for your phone, because it's not working for some reason. And epic mom bun. Anyway, have a great day, you guys. See you later.